As a maker of circuit boards, I always feel like my programs don't always end up working. This is so frustrating. Then I discovered something to always make your programs work. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the secret on how to make them work. These are one of the most common issues of why they don't work.
Number 1, your circuit has bad parts. Some of the major components like IC, diode and transistors may suffer damages while being soldered into place. The same goes with capacitors and resistors. The reason why this happens is these parts suffer from overheating from the soldering part. When you solder, try to use very high resistant metals. Your circuit has connection problems. This was probably caused by a wire was left out when you put it into a connector to try and put it firmly in, or a short circuit transpired. That's probably the result of a bad soldering job. Number 3, a connection placed in the wrong area. Sometimes if you place a connection in the wrong area, it can mess up the circuit. Number 4, if you can hear noise in or around the board, this may indicate bad power supply. Not enough power supply. Some circuits suffer from power that is not well distributed by the power supply. A dependable power supply will distribute power evenly. Number 6, the wrong computations. Computations deal with the current of electricity that printed circuit board components require to operate without a hitch. Incorrect calculations of current, amount of current passes. Number 7, too much heat. Overheating transistors and other parts may prove insufficient to the job. Replace these parts that can hire a slightly higher watts of electricity and energy.